Hi guys, it's Mattiace, and yes, we are back by that little lake where I made the spring video because Bushcraft, my man, requested a video where an update on what this little pond looks like now that we're in pre-summer, I would say. It's not really summer yet, but well, the trees probably look a little bit more lush, and I'm gonna get you some more views here. Of course, this is also an opportunity to try out the new GoPro Hero9. I think I still haven't learned the name, but yeah, it's relatively late evening, or well, the sun has set, but it's still bright enough to shoot the video. But the previous video was shot during daytime in sunlight, so it's a little bit different. Now, behind me here, this is the lake. Of course, this log here would provide some nice content. If I get out on that log all the way out there, I would give some pretty nice footage, wouldn't it? Should I do it? Should I do it? Ah, sorry guys. Sorry to disappoint, but no, not gonna happen. Again, testing the GoPro camera on its default settings. I think I'm actually running low on battery now. So, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna film for as long as the battery lasts, and you can judge for yourselves what you think about the pond, the difference between spring and pre-summer, and also, of course, the difference between the GoPro and the Samsung S7. So, what do you say, guys? Personally, I feel like the sound is a little bit better, and I noticed a significant difference in the stabilization. You know, I can barely tell that I'm actually walking with the camera. It's almost like I'm riding a skateboard, or I'm on rails, or in a car or something, because the camera keeps, it keeps the picture very, very stable. And I noticed that also with the newer models of the Samsung phones. They also do that a lot better, but yeah, I do appreciate that a lot. The colors, there's something about the colors that I'm not all that happy about with the GoPro, as I've been checking out lately. Basically, it's got a little bit too strong contrasts and maybe a little bit too much saturation for my taste. But again, it's the default settings, and I'm going to see if I can find maybe some adjustments to it, or if I'm gonna have to adjust it by some of the filters in Vegas. Anyway, this is what the pond looks like early summer or pre-summer-ish. It's the beginning of June, and if you haven't seen the earlier video from the same place, the spring video, then please check it out and let me know if you can tell the difference between the cameras, and well, if there's a difference now that the trees are a little bit more lush than during springtime. Anyway, there is more coming now that I have the GoPro, so big thanks for watching. Please gently caress that like button and hit the notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video.